Now my question is, write a program to display number from 1 to 10. So how I will write? If I want to do with the for loop, then for int I equals to 1, I less than equals to 10, I plus plus, because I want to execute the loop 10 times. So I should initialize this loop by I is 1 until the less than equals to 10. Okay, till the less than equals to 10 I have to execute, then only it will execute 10 times. And this declaration I can do out of the for loop also. It's up to you. Then here I'm writing system dot out dot println, and here I'm writing I. Okay, only the I. See, in the last program, in the double quotes, I was writing my name. So it's going to display my name. As many as time loop will execute. Same here, it's going to display I, but I is not written in the double quotes. It means it is the variable. So value of this I variable is going to be displayed. Okay, so what is the value? I is 1, I is less than equals to 10, and I plus plus is there. Okay, so I is 1. So let me compile. Method close and the class close. After that, actually I have given this at the last, so here I'm closing. This is your loop close. This is your method close, and this is your class close. Now I will execute it. So it should display. What should be the output for this? Compile, execute, loop, void main. See that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 10. Tell in the next lines. But if I am removing this ln, then it's not going to display in the next line. In the one line only it's going to be displayed. See that. This is the difference in the print and the println. See that. If in the exam you have to check it carefully that how they are asking, they have written the print or the println, what they have written, accordingly you will execute this. Okay, then accordingly you will give the output for this type of the output may come. Now here I'm going to give you one question. If I am writing int I equals to 1, I less than equals to 10, and here, okay, if I'm writing I equals to 1, I greater than, less than equals to 10, the same question, but here I'm writing I plus equals to 2, means here I'm making the changes in the increment decrement. Then tell me the output for this. What will be the output for this? Same question. What will be the output for this? Don't write the entire program. Just make the circle on the increment decrement, put the arrow and write this I plus equals to 2. Okay, means entire program is same. Now you are making the changes in the increment conditions, and if the increment condition is changed, then what will be the output? So near that you write the output. I'm telling you, once this is the question, and this in this question initialization is what? 1, means value of I is what? 1. Okay, then it will tell you 1 less than equals to 10, तो condition true हो जाएगी. Then it will give the output I, means output will be your, क्या output आएगा? 1, right? फिर इसके बाद I plus equals to 2, it means value of I will increase by the 2, so it will be 3. सो 3 लेस देन इक्वल्स टू 10, अगेन कंडीशन ट्रू हो जाएगी. फिर क्या प्रिंट करेगा? I, तो इट विल गिव यू 3. ओके, देन 5 इक्वल्स टू 10, अगेन कंडीशन ट्रू हो जाएगी. ओके, देन इट विल गिव यू 5. ओके, देन 7 less than equals to 10, then it will display 7. Yes, then the 9 also. Yes, correct. Then after that 9 less than equals to 10, condition true. Okay, so it will display 9. All the display will be in the next line, but after that value of I will be 11. So 11 less than equals to 10, condition is false. When the condition is false, then it will not execute the loop. Okay, so output will be, what will be the output for this? Output 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 in separate line. You will write in the separate line.
हम जैसे मैंने भेजा वो करेक्ट है.
Separate line. In next lines ऐसे लिखो, in next line. Okay, like that. Then after it, okay, now again one more changes. If here I'm making the changes, you can see that this is what? Odd number it is displaying. So if the question is there that display the odd number between 1 to 10, then you can use the same. Now the question is display the even number from 1 to 10. So what we will do? Nothing, just we will make the change 2. We will not execute this loop by the 1. We will execute this loop by the 2. Then it will display you
2, 4.
Even numbers. Okay, see that. Compile, execute. Void main. See that even numbers. Okay, means it's not necessary that always you have to start by the 1. No, it's not like that always you have to start by the 1. You can start by the 2, by the 10, by anything. Okay, now see, if here I'm starting this loop by the 10, again make the change in your notebook. I equals to 10, and here I'm writing I less than equals to 10. Now tell me how many times this loop will execute.
Once.
How many times this loop is going to be executed? Now this is the question that I equals to 10, I less than equals to 10. It means 10, value of I is what? 10. I की value है 10. 10 less than equals to 10. Condition true हो गई. तो फिर वो execute करेगा, body में आएगा, then it is I. तो it will display 10, right? After that increment, तो 11 less than equals to 10. ये वाली condition execute होगी ना? तो 11 less than equals to condition false हो गई.
नहीं.
ठीक है, तो it will come out from the body. Means output क्या आया? Only the 10. See the compilation. Wait. Compilation, then the execution. देखो, only the 10. Right? Now if here I'm making another changes, write all the changes in your notebook with the output. I'm not telling you to write the entire program. Don't write the entire program, just and circle that. ओके, सर्कल करो, वहां पे एरो बना के लिखो और उसी के नीचे उसका आउटपुट लिख दो जो भी चेंज हो रहा है. I equals to 10, and if I am writing I greater than equals to 10, and here I am writing minus minus, and here I'm writing 1. Now what will be the output? See that I equals to 10, I greater than equals to 1. This is your reverse loop. हम ऐसा भी बोल सकते हैं. This is the reverse loop. See, देखो इस loop में I की value 10, then I greater than 1. So how it will be? 10 greater than equals to 1. Condition true है, then it will come in the body of loop. So it will display you 1. Okay, sorry, 10. Okay, then after that it will display 9, then 8, then 7, then means how many times this loop will execute? Loop will execute 10 times.
Till 1.
Okay, 10 times it will
Till
execute.
1.
Yes, till 10 times means number of iteration I'm asking. See, I'm not asking the output. If I'm asking the how many times this loop will execute, time means number of iteration means कितने बार ये loop execute होगा. Okay, तो 10 से लेकर के 1 तक execute होगा means 10 time execute होगा. Okay, अब अगर मुझे 1 to 10 डिस्प्ले कराना है तो मैं आई को 1 रखूंगी और लेस देन इक्वल्स टू 10 तक चलाऊंगी. और अगर मुझे 1 से 10 से 1 चलाना है तो सेम, और दोनों केसेस में ही मेरा लूप 10 टाइम एग्जीक्यूट होगा. देखो ये डिफरेंस इनिशियलाइजेशन और टेस्ट कंडीशन का जो डिफरेंस होता है ना, वो होता है n नंबर ऑफ टाइम कि कितने टाइम लूप एग्जीक्यूट हो रहा है. और आउटपुट जो तुम system डॉट आउट डॉट प्रिंटलन में लिखते हो वो आउटपुट होता है. राइट तो अभी ये 10 टाइम लूप मैंने प्लस प्लस करके भी चला दिया. 10 टाइम ये लूप आई कैन एग्जीक्यूट बाय यूजिंग द माइनस माइनस आल्सो, पर मुझे क्या याद रखना है? ग्रेटर देन. ओके, नाउ वन मोर चेंजेस. इफ यू एम राइटिंग I greater than equals to 10, not equals to, only the greater than, then how many times this loop will execute? How many times? See that compilation and execution. कुछ आया आउटपुट? नो आउटपुट. डजंट मीन कि मेरा लूप नहीं चला. यस, मेरा लूप ही नहीं चला. Why it was not executed? लूप क्यों नहीं चला? Because test condition was false. ये देखो, फिर से देखो everyone, this is very important. If this test condition is false, see for loop क्या होता है? Entry control loop. If the test condition will be true, then only loop of execution with body of loop will going to be execute. Okay, अभी देखो I equals to 10, तो it means condition क्या बनी? 10 greater than 10. It means condition false है ना, 10 greater than तो नहीं है, तो क्या वो body of loop में आएगा? नहीं आएगा. It's not going to execute the body of loop. Okay, this is what? Condition false. Okay, it is very important. When the test condition is false, then it will not execute the body of loop even the once, or it will execute 0 time. इसलिए कुछ आउटपुट ही नहीं आया. पर अगर मैं यहाँ पर लूप के बाहर देखो, मैं यहाँ पे कुछ आउटपुट लिखना चाहती हूँ, हेलो लिख देती हूँ. ओके, तो अभी अगर पूछा कि व्हाट विल बी द आउटपुट एंड हाउ मेनी टाइम लूप विल एग्जीक्यूट, loop will execute 0 time, but the output will be hello. See that, but the output will be hello. void main, ये देखो hello आया है, पर ये loop की स्टेटमेंट है क्या? नहीं, this is not the loop statement. ये तो loop की बॉडी के बाहर लिखी हुई स्टेटमेंट है, प्रोग्राम की स्टेटमेंट है, इस मेथड की स्टेटमेंट है, तो वो तो एग्जीक्यूट हो गई. ओके, मगर ये लूप के अंदर की बॉडी एग्जीक्यूट नहीं होगी. अंडरस्टूड? क्लियर?
यस मैम.
द इनफाइनाइट लूप, इफ आई एम राइटिंग ऐसे, अगर मैंने लिखा ना फॉर सेमीकोलन सेमीकोलन, देन दिस इज योर इनफाइनाइट लूप. राइट it is also very important. Infinite loop means it will execute and execute, never ending loop.